A cash advance app without a monthly fee can save you money fast, because paying a subscription just to borrow your own paycheck makes small emergencies more expensive. By the end of this, you'll know 7 cash advance apps that don't require monthly fees, what each one does and which ones make the most sense depending on how fast you need money. Start with Earnin.de. Earnin lets you access part of your paycheck before payday based on hours worked. The key difference is that it doesn't lock basic access behind a monthly membership. Speed options may vary, but the core service is the draw. Second is InchDave. Dave is one of the most recognized names in cash advances. It offers small paycheck advances and budgeting tools. It's popular because setup is simple, and repayment is tied to your next deposit. Third is InBridgeting. Bridget focuses heavily on overdraft prevention. It monitors your account and can offer advances before your balance drops too low. That makes it useful if your problem is avoiding bank overdraft fees. Now the flexible alternatives. Earnin combines cash advances with banking and credit building tools. It's more of an all-in-one financial app, which makes it useful if you want more than short-term borrowing. Hempower offers paycheck advances and budgeting features. Its main advantage is speed and easy mobile setup. Yaober mixes cash advances with savings and finance tracking. That makes it useful if you're trying to manage cash flow better long-term. Then there's Clover. Clover works differently by offering advances tied to user activity and app engagement. It's one of the simpler options if you want basic access without extra complexity. Here's the important part. No monthly fee doesn't always mean free. Some apps charge for instant transfers. Some rely on optional tips. Some require linked payroll data. Always check the transfer method before borrowing. That's where hidden costs usually show up. Quick recap. Best for paycheck-based access, Earnin. Best, simple option, InBridgeting. Best overdraft protection, InBridgeting. Best all-in-one app, MoneyLion. The practical next step is simple. Compare 2 apps before signing up. Check advance limits, repayment timing, and instant transfer cost first. That tells you the real cost, not just the advertised one. If this helped you narrow down the safest cash advance options, like the video and subscribe for more.